Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of prawns rissois. In a bowl, add 10 medium-sized prawns washed, cleaned and deveined. Add salt. Add it to a pan on medium flame. Add water. Add oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Cover and let it cook. Stir. Once the prawns are ready, remove from the pan. In the same pan, add oil. Add 1 onion chopped, 1 green chili chopped. Stir. Add 1 tomato chopped. Stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir. Add salt. Stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Recheado masala. Stir. Cover and let it cook. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Stir. Cover and let it cook. Stir. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir. Add little milk. Stir. Add the cooked prawns. Stir. Switch off the flame. Transfer it into a bowl. On medium flame, in a pan, add half cup of water. Add little salt. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Stir. Let it boil. Once the water starts boiling, add 3/4 cup of flour. Stir. Add little more water. Stir. Stir till it forms into a dough. Once it forms into a dough and starts leaving the sides of the pan, switch off the flame. Dust the work surface with flour. Knead the dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Cover one portion. First roll one portion. Cut round circles. Follow the same steps for the second portion also. On each round circle, add prawns filling. Apply water on the edges of the circle. Fold it into half. Press the edges to seal. In a bowl, add 1 egg, pinch of salt, beat it. In another bowl, add semolina mixed with breadcrumbs. Cook the rissoles with beaten egg. Then coat with semolina and breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the rissoles. Delicious prawns rissoles are now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.